just to see the definition of mutual funds. So mutual funds में कैसे होता है, that is the investors want to invest the funds, and fund managers are there to handle their funds on their behalf. So it's a normally mutual fund is the most popular options wherein asset management companies pull the money from the investors and they invest on behalf of investor into the market, that is into stock, shares, bonds, all those things. Fine. So in short, the process I will tell you, म्यूचुअल फंड्स इन्वेस्टर है, एक एबीसी पर्सन है, ही वांट्स टू पुट द मनी. ओके, सपोज वो अपने ऑनलाइन ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में जाकर परचेस करता है, तो व्हाट ही हैज़ टू डू, ही हैज़ टू सिलेक्ट ईच फंड्स. अच्छा, मुझे XYZ कंपनी का शेयर्स लेना है, चलो मैंने इधर के 5 ले लिए. ओके, नाउ फार्मा सेक्टर इज डूइंग गुड, सो आई विल परचेस 5 शेयर्स फ्रॉम द फार्मा. ही हैज़ टू सिलेक्ट इंडिविजुअली. So mutual fund is the combination of all the funds. So one mutual funds will be the fund manager selects the different shares into that. So in short, investor has the money. Okay, what I will do as an investor, I will approach the fund houses. Fund houses will take the money. What I will do, as a fund manager, I will choose the securities which will give you a good return. I'll put the money into that. Okay, and whatever the gain I'm going to do, I'll generate the gain and I'll pass it on to the investor. That is the simple funda of the mutual fund. So in mutual funds, the person don't have to go individually and purchase the shares, but on your behalf, fund managers, AMCs will purchase the equities. Either it can be equity, it can be bond, it can be stocks, anything. Fine. So investors are not allowed to pick the stock individually. Fine. And fund managers will do the research and they will select the best performing instruments from from the market and give the high return. That is their main funda. So in short, mutual fund is the excellent way of diversifying your investment portfolio.